The unboxing experience immediately reflects the product's professional positioning. The packaging is clean and well organized, with recyclable inner tray components that underline OneOdio's effort to reduce environmental impact without compromising protection. Inside the box, everything feels intentionally selected rather than included for padding. The Studio Max 1 headphones, the ultra-low latency transmitter, USB Type-C charging cable, coiled 3.5mm to 6.35mm cable, standard 3.5mm cable, screw-in 6.35mm adapter, user documentation, and a soft yet durable travel pouch designed to protect the headphones during transport. From the first moment, this feels like a complete system rather than just a pair of headphones, clearly prepared for studio desks, DJ booths, musical instruments, and mobile setups alike. After extended hands-on testing, the OneOdio Studio Max 1 wireless DJ headphones emerge as a thoughtfully engineered, performance-focused solution that successfully bridges professional and everyday audio needs. The combination of ultra-low latency wireless technology, long battery life, high-resolution audio support, and robust physical design makes these headphones particularly compelling for DJs, musicians, content creators, and advanced users who demand flexibility without sacrificing precision. Rather than positioning itself as a lifestyle accessory with added features, the Studio Max One feels like a genuine work tool that happens to be wireless, comfortable, and highly adaptable. For users seeking a single headphone capable of handling stage performance, studio work, gaming, and daily listening with equal confidence, this is one of the most convincing all-in-one wireless solutions currently available in its category.